Good morning. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today about our upcoming holiday party. We at Encana, we truly value our associates. They have worked harder than ever this year to partner with our clients, and not to mention with fewer resources due to budget cuts that we have been experiencing. However, we still want to make sure that we are celebrating all of their efforts this year. In the past, we have held our holiday party at luxury venues, but due to our budgets being cut in half this year, we still want to show them the same experience as we have had in the past. What we think will really elevate our event this year is upscale decor and entertainment, as well as the possibility for upgraded bar options. Last year, the Scotch bar we had was a true success. Our guests loved it. We also really believe in partnering with the chef to make sure that the menus that we are providing our guests are at top notch. I look forward to hearing from you as how we can work together with the budgets that we are held to make this event a memorable one for our associates.